Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will learn about AWS EFS service, and after that we will learn how to attach it to AWS EC2 instances. So first of all we will see what is that EFS service. So EFS service is fully managed service that makes it easy to set up, scale and cost optimize file storage in Amazon cloud with few clicks in Amazon management console. You can create file system that are accessible to Amazon EC2 instances, while file system interface Amazon EFS file system can automatically scale from gigabyte to petabyte of data without needing to provision storage. So we can have in that 10 tons, 100 and even 1000 of Amazon EC2 instance can access an Amazon EFS file system at the same time, and Amazon EFS provide consistent performance to each Amazon EC2 instance. So now we will see the cases where we can use Amazon support, EFS support actually. So we can use in big data analytics, media processing workflows, content management, web serving and home directories. So from that link you can watch further about this EFS service. You can learn more. So how we will create? First of all, EC2 instance we need to create, so which I have already created in two separate AG. First is in East 1D and second in East US East 1E, and we have opened only port 22. Port 22 open to all over the world, and after that we have created security group, EFS security group. In EFS security group we have attached those uh, security group from particular servers, and we have allowed NFS rule from it. We have created EFS service. In EFS service we have attached this security group which we have created here. After creating EFS we will click on attach button. Attach button we will get the command to mount that, and when we will log into server we need to install this EFS utility. Only that we can access EFS file system. So let's get started. Those servers I have already started. It is in running state. Now what I will do, I will create one security group. Security group name I will mention EFS SG, and description security group for EFS. And here, as I told you before, that we will allow NFS inbound rule, and let me add other as well. After that, this security group which is attached to server 1 I will attach here, and the other one also which is in server 2 I will attach here. Here we can mention that the description as well. Let's suppose there are multiple inbound rule, so we should do that practice to mention something here. Let's suppose if we are attaching it for any incident, then we need to mention the incident number. Here I will mention this, it is for server 1, and it is for server 2. After creating it we just need to click here, create security group. Okay, we cannot give HG EFS, and after that we need to click here, create security group. Now security group is created. Now I can show you one thing. Here you can see in server 1 that security group which I have already mentioned here, so it is same, and here also if you can see 9 of C3 it is same. Okay, now we will come here and we will create one EFS file system. Okay, one I have already created, I will delete that. I need to mention this full name to delete it. So here I will click for creating file system. Here I will mention EFS as file system. This what VPC, let it be whatever it is, but in your environment you should not make practice to for default, but you need to create your own. Here I am clicking on customize. So here if you can see, storage class is standard, so usually we are keeping it standard so that it can be accessible to multiple AG. If you will keep here, so it you can access in single AG only. In automatic backup, if you will click that, it will take automatic backup. Lifecycle policy, lifecycle policy is nothing. If you have not accessed it from last 30 days, it will be transferred into second storage class, that is standard infrequent access. So we will not do anything to it, let it be. And if you want encryption, you can click here, you can select your KMS encryption, and after that throughput mode, bursting and enhance. So as of now I am selecting only bursting. Enhance is for much higher throughput and disk where you want much speed. Now I am just clicking it. Next, if you see, we will get lots of availability zone, but we have created in two availability zone only our server. So one is in east 1D, east 1E. So other than that all we will remove. So here this one we will remove, this one also, and this one also. Okay, 1D and 1E. Here we will remove this security group and we will attach the security group which we have created, EFS 1. Let me just verify what the name I have given that security group which I have just created, EFS Inbound, and okay 5. Yes, it is same, so it will be only EFS. So EFS security group we have attached. Now I will click next. Here we will not select anything, just press next, let it be default option. Okay, so now it will take some time. So till that time what we will do, we will log into server and we will attach that NFS file system later. Before that we need to install this package. So let me first connect to server 1. For to connecting server and how to create server, you can watch my previous video which is coming in I button. First I will connect to server 1. Server 1 I will click like this, and after that I will just sudo su, and I have already told you this package we need to install. It is for EFS utility. So here I will just install this package. After that let me just verify if EFS file system is created. Yes, it is created. Now you can see it is available. So now I will click view details, and after that I will click on attach. So this is the command to attach. Before that I will just create a folder here, EFS, and here okay, I think here EFS and then this sign. Okay, here what mistake I am doing, that I have created EFS in slash, but I have not provided slash here, that's why it is throwing error. Now I will just check. You can see that EFS mount point is there. I will go inside it and I will create one file. You can see this file is there. So now I will log into server 2. So now I will just click here, server 2, connect. Then I need to copy this. What I will do, same, I will click here. This one is first server, this is second server. And after that I will install this package. And post that we will get that command. This command I will use to configure that EFS file system. So here before that I will create one mount point. So mount point name we can give anything as of our choice. So here I will give file 1, and after that I will copy it again, attach button, and then here I will give that path file 1. So now it is mounted. I will go inside it to see the file which I created in first server, it is there or not. You can see that file is here which I have created. Thank you. This is the procedure of installing EFS, configuring EFS, and after that how to connect that EFS to multiple server. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, just share, subscribe, and hope you will share that video and connect with you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.